Hey everybody, this is a quick video. In case you have a Universal Devices ISY994i home automation controller and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of one of two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this thing not controlling your devices properly or just not connecting, things like that, a hard reset can very often fix this. The other reason that you could do this is if you're setting this up in a whole new home with a whole bunch of new stuff and you just want to get a fresh start, like it's something brand new, we can just go ahead and do that. It's pretty easy. We need to have power to the device, and as you've probably seen here, you have this recessed hole right here. This is the reset button. So what you'll need to do is you're going to need to hold this, but you're going to need to hold it for a long time. So you're going to press this button, and when you do this, the RX, TX, MEM, and ERR LEDs will flash. I'll start to flash once per second, and just keep holding it for about 30 seconds or maybe more until all of these lights that are flashing, they turn off. The MEM light will flash quickly, and then you can release the reset button and allow it to reboot, and you'll know it's done when the memory light stops flashing, and then you can go ahead and set this up as a new device.